Hello and what's up everybody. In this video we are going to learn how we upload and download stuff from Canva. For the demonstration purposes, let us select the template of YouTube thumbnail. Now we are inside all the templates we have. Let me select this one for the Christmas. Now we have opened this and this is our main editing page. Now I want to upload some stuff. I click on uploads and I can record myself. For this I have to give the camera permission, but I'm not doing it. I'll close it. I'll just upload stuff. I click on upload and there are a lot of my pictures inside my laptop. So let me select one of these. I'm selecting this picture for demonstration purposes. So this picture will upload it right here in images. If I upload any of the videos, that will be right here. If I have uploaded any audio, that will be right here. Then I can just add stuff here. So for demonstration purposes, I have an image right here. I'll just click on this image and this image will appear here. Now you can see that this image is behind this text. I'll go into position and I'll click on forward and forward again, and the picture will be in the front. Now I want to remove this person, so I could add my own picture. I'll just click on it and double click on it and remove. Now I have my picture. I'll just scale it up just like this and I'll place it here. Now I need to remove background. I'll click on edit image and click on background remover. Canva will take a second and remove the background of this picture. It will take a few seconds. Okay, the background is removed. I can just crop it with these marks. These are for cropping the picture. I'll click on apply and click right here. I can scale this up just like this. Okay, so these are not looking right because the size is smaller. I'll just increase the size here as well. So this right here is my design. That's how I upload and add picture into it. I can add it by clicking on it, and I can add it by dragging it on the top. I can also, if I want to add something behind it, I can just add it with the corner. If I go from the corner, it will be added behind. Okay, let's suppose this is my picture and I want to download this. I'll double click it and I can also fix this one as well. Done. So this is my picture. Let's suppose I want to download this. I'll click on it here, share, and I'll click on download. Now I can download this picture in PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, all of these formats. I want this picture in JPG. For size, I have 1. With simple Canva, I have Canva Pro, so I can increase it further to 3. Quality is 80% with Canva. I have Canva Pro, so I can increase the quality to 100% as well. I can save the download setting. So every time I download, the settings will be like this, and I click on download and the video starts downloading in a cloud. And after it's done, it will show me that your image is downloaded right here. I'll click on it and this will preview the image. This is the image we created. Now you know that how to upload image inside Canva, how to put that image, video or audio inside this editing box, and how to download the stuff. That's it for this lecture.